Machine tools are the mother of all manufacturing, including the aerospace and high-tech industries. Like a giant wheel turning the world. Taiwan's flexible production capability makes us a key partner of the world's industrial powers. We take pride in our sustainable industries. The COVID-19 pandemic caused a global shortage of surgical masks. At this critical moment, machine tool manufacturers in Taiwan quickly took responsibility to set up production lines for surgical masks to alleviate the national crisis. Before the pandemic, Taiwan imported 80% of its face masks. Now producing up to 19 million pieces per day, Taiwan is the world's second largest producer of face masks, putting it under the global spotlight. Over 2,500 people work the production lines. The national team demonstrates the unity, mobility, and efficiency of Taiwan's machine tool industry. A manufacturing hub sits deep in the heart of Taichung. The 60 production lines were quickly set up in 25 days to assist the government. The national team assembles over 30 companies. We support the nation with honor and pride. We take this opportunity to expand further into the markets of the US, EU, and ASEAN nations, and develop more talents, as well as our capacities in smart manufacturing. Advanced technology with laser-focused dedication for perfection. Machine tools made in Taiwan, featuring Taiwan excellence. Moving towards smart manufacturing. As an organizer of Taiwan Excellence, we are proud to promote the machine tool industry and Taiwan face mask team. And we are happy to share this Mission Impossible story with the world. In normal times, we take care of the industries. When needs arise, the industries combine their forces to support the government. Let me extend my appreciation once again to the machine tool manufacturers for their great support. In the face of a worldwide pandemic, Taiwan has actively lent a helping hand to the world. Taiwan Global Anti-COVID-19 Pavilion. In this website, we've created an anti-epidemic products and solution providers section, where you can find information about suppliers or any particular business solutions. This section will help you reach out to more than 2,000 Taiwanese companies who can aid in your fight against the pandemic. In these videos, companies and experts discuss the latest innovations to help combat the pandemic. In this section, we've put at your disposal the contact information of 20 Taiwanese top medical institutions. We also inform you about the main strategies used in Taiwan to effectively control and stop the spread of the virus. So please be sure to bookmark and share this website. And remember to follow us on Facebook for our latest updates.
Welcome to Shamir. I'm the Brad Wang, the General Manager here at Shamir. Today, I will be giving you an overview of who we are and what amazing product we can offer. Shamir was founded in 1975 to produce die sinker EDM for mold making industry. We are a machine tool company and have been operating for 45 years. Our original focus was on cutting-edge EDM machine. In 2009, we moved to the latest headquarters that sits on an area of a total 28,000 meters square for purpose of a global operation and R&D center. Up to this day, Shamir is the 5th largest EDM manufacturer in the world. At the heart of our business philosophy is integrity, growth, customer satisfaction, employee security. We would like to think the business philosophy is the cornerstone of our operation here. With this concept in mind, we gain confidence and motivate ourselves towards success. Shamir obtained 42 national awards over the past decade. We truly recognize Shamir's commitment to bring an awesome experience exceeding our customer expectation. The list of a wide range of national awards include outstanding management performance, technological innovation, and good design of our products, so on. We believe that without hard work and dedication of our employees, there is no way Shamir will be such successful. The original product line consisted of a die sinker, wire cut, drilling EDM. Afterward, the high-speed machine was produced. Since 2018, we developed a more holistic approach. Newest product, laser cutting machine and the electrochemical machine will release over this time. It is the critical part of the process since everything less than 100% quality guarantee will damage our reputation.
CHING machine was established in 1948. It has grown steady for more than 70 years. Up to now, we have become one of the 5 press makers in the world and have also become the largest press makers in Taiwan. We have a strong R&D team, and our service network and products are distributed all over the world. GDS series is a straight-side double crank press with a super rigid steel frame that improves stamping precision and prolonged styling. It can be widely used in the production process like drawing, bending, forming, fanning, and trimming. When GDS is equipped with JingFeng latest iForming intelligent management system, it is using the concept of Industry 4.0 by combining cloud, big data, AI technology, sensor device, and communication systems. Based on self-monitoring and data receiving function, iForming can provide real-time production information and make our data digitalized and understandable. When we incorporate the data of produced product into the tracking system, metal stamping industries can use the big data analysis to feed the result back to the operation site. We can continuously improve our standard operation process by optimizing mechanical parameters. This method can not only increase the usability of facility, but also maintain the best condition of the overall factory system. Additionally, we help customers transform from traditional manufacturing into smart manufacturing. JingFeng has newly developed a JingFeng customer support app, which has multi-language support combined with mobile device to meet customer immediate service needs and provide customers with better service. In recent years, we not only strengthened our core products, but also dedicated ourselves to the development of automation and internal systems. Therefore, the product can be produced stably and intelligently and help customers build smart factories.
A client's best partner, EQUIPTOP HITECH Corporation. EQUIPTOP HITECH Corporation was established in 1988, together with its EQUIPTOP product brand, which is meant to invoke the meaning of top equipment. The company's business philosophy, strategy, and vision are providing the vast global customers with the best surface grinders, vertical machining centers, and CNC drilling and tapping machines. Through the spirit of pursuing product excellency,
leading technology and perfect service, provide customers around the world with the best service quality, and become a world-famous, professional, leading manufacturer in the industry. Company mission. Customer first and quality assurance is EQUIPTOP's only policy. From incoming material inspection, process quality control, to final and packaging quality inspection. Strictly control in every stage, and product quality is continuously enhanced in an effort to achieve customer satisfaction. Promote the global competitiveness of our products and strive towards establishing an original brand from Taiwan.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Taiwan Excellence Navigating the Future of Metalwork press conference organized by Bureau of Foreign Trade MOEA, as well as TAITRA, Taiwan External Trade Development Council. I'm Ariel, today's Master of Ceremony. Before we start, we would like to invite you to press the Taiwan Excellence YouTube channel and activate the little bell to receive the most updated information from Taiwan Excellence. 2020, the whole year has been suffered by a COVID-19 pandemic. So many international exhibitions have scaled down its exhibition and even transferred to online, such as Metalworking organized by Expo Center at Moscow, which was supported by Russian Federal Council, the Industry and the Trade Department, as well as Engineer Alliance. This is annual event, which is the most prestigious metalwork industry exhibition. To cope with the event, we are very delighted to invite the representative from Taiwan's intelligent machinery tool industry to talk about their cutting edge as well as the transition and trend of post-pandemic metalworks. Before we start, we would like to invite Patrick Chang, the chairman of the Machine Tools from TAMI, Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry. Ladies and gentlemen, greetings. My name is Patrick. On behalf of TAMI, I would like to welcome you to participate in this press conference and talk about the latest development of machinery industry. Thank you for your time to attend this conference. This year's Taiwan Excellence, the navigation to the future of metalwork. So as you can experience and aware that the entire machinery industry has moved through the valley in last year. So you can see the market is rebounding. Everybody are busy to receive the purchase order, how to deliver the products to the hands of the customers. In 2020, the machinery tool industry here in Taiwan have about 33 billion US dollars. So as the demand increase, we expect by 2021 the productivity can be increased about 3.6 billion US dollars to reach the 42 billion US dollars increase, which is about 10 to 15% increase. As the productivity, we still meet many challenges here. Raw material costs increase and the shipping costs increase. Therefore, the whole industry are very actively to transform it into the digital era. That is the best solution to cope with COVID-19. To match the market situation as well as the development. So digital transition is very, very important, especially to highlight the efficiency of management. Of course, we rely on everybody's collaboration to work together to bring the metal work here in Taiwan to a new blue ocean. Next, I would like to invite the speaker from ITRI, Industrial Technology Research Institute, as well as a representative from the industry to talk about their experience. I believe this will be a very fruitful conference to inspire you and in-depth understand the transition post-COVID-19 and the future trend. Last but not least, I would like to welcome all the distinguished guests and wish this conference successful. Wish you have a good health and a good business. Thank you very much. Thank you, Patrick. Next, I would like to invite the Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Division, Intelligent Machinery Technology Center at ITRI, Dr. Pen. Greetings. My name is Darren Pen, Deputy Division Director at ITRI. This is a non-profit organization sponsored by the government. So for the long term, we are oriented on technology development. This is the vital partner for research and development for the industry here in Taiwan. We have more than 7,000 scientists. Among them, we have about 1,000 scientists engaged in machinery tools. So this is a great percentage portion. So today I'm very delighted to have this opportunity to talk about the trend and the unique character of metalwork here in Taiwan. As you can see here, Taiwan has a very substantial metalwork technology. Almost globally, the most famous industry have partnered with Taiwan. For example, nowadays very popular autonomous cars and aerospace, solar and wind power generation, PCB, as well as most critical semiconductor industry. We have a very critical components here in Taiwan. On top of that, the industry here in Taiwan have a cluster. So as you can see here, the map, so we can have a semiconductor and electronic cluster in northern part, whereas in central part, it is focused on machinery, metal, and cutting cluster. In the southern part, we focus on the metal forming cluster. Here, we have very comprehensive industrial cluster to provide a special metal works and equipments. So among them, you can see that the intermediate machinery tools industry, which is very, very important, where they focus on the central part of Taiwan. So this is a very comprehensive supply chain. We rank the world's #5 machine tool exporter and the #7 producers in the world. So the equipments we produce can sustain, as like I said, the whole industrial demand. Next page. So here in Taiwan, as you can see, that the most advantage here is high efficient production management to cope with flexible manufacturing at short time to market. Because we have very comprehensive supply chain and cluster, the transportation cost is very low. So we can deliver the product in very short time to meet the demand, for example, small quantity and diversified options. So we also have advanced technology to deal with the most difficult manufacturing task. For example, optic semiconductor and high precision demand, we can satisfy customer demand. On top of that, the machine work or metalwork here, we have a very good cluster, so they can have a fast deploy production capacity to other Asian clusters, because we are the medium and small size oriented industry capacity. For example, recently, because of COVID-19, many companies relocate their production line from China to Vietnam, Indonesia, or back to Taiwan. So at the same time, we also incorporate most advanced high precision and high production technology to upgrade their productivities. So you can see we have equipped the advantage here in Taiwan. Next slide. On top of that, on top of what I mentioned, the solid technologies, in the future, here we have advanced technology development. So for example, we have E3's investment in terms of machinery, cloud, the standard platform for industrial IoT, and cloud service for machinery industry. And cloud computing, as well as digital twins research activities in universities and the research institute. We also have a vision to provide the first part correct for massive customization. So for the hardware, we have a very good environment here in Taiwan, so we can have a sufficient intelligent, even where you can see the so-called high-end application to satisfy the most advanced demand in the future. Next slide. So this completes my presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Pen. Next, I would like to invite the CHING Home Machinery and the Electric Industry, the lab, the regional sales, to talk about the post-pandemic work. Hello, I'm Lev, in charge of Russia and Europe market. I'm the regional sales manager. Today, I'm going to share with you regarding the being in post-epidemic new normality, the preemptive preparation for heavy industry demand. So next slide. So first of all, introduce our company. CHING was founded in 1975, founded by Chairman Mr. Wang. Now we have 45 years of machine tool experience. So our primary focus is EDM, the electric discharge machines. So now we are the #1 brand in Taiwan. We have 55 sales and agencies. And so we have primarily 4 product lines: wire cut, die sinker, super drilling, high speed milling over 45 years. From last year, since last year, 2020, as the global pandemic burst, you can see that we also have a very significant impact through our daily life, all the way to traditional commercial business, down to the machine tools industry. You can see the global economy is on recession. So to cope with this pandemic, so not only for the new product, we have to promote every line to the most important core. That, for example, the healthcare industry, because of the autonomous vehicles trend, bicycle industry, as well as social distance, and the remote demand for the 3C industry, as well as the cost-oriented business practice. Every country is trying their endeavor to develop this energy industry. Russia's market is also focused on the heavy duty industry, as well as defense industry. Now the emerging civil industry to highlight local production, and also with a high precision and diversified set options to meet the precision industry. So with such a fast solution capability, we need to provide automatic equipment to cope with new pandemic. Next slide. So when we encounter this new market, CHING have developed new RV series linear products. We have 3 major functions to have intelligent automatic production, to have a better capacity. First, because of high-speed water supply and drainage. Second, automatic water replenishment function. The third is intelligent liquid level control system to reduce the time. And also we have a friendly user interface on the cloud monitor and the remote monitoring to provide the users live surveillance without standing beside the stations to collect all the data. So those data can be transformed into the automatic or autonomous control management center to establish a database. For sales, this is very easy to increase the revenue. So to the equipment, it can extend the shelf life of the unit and also reduce the cost. So we can see this series can satisfy the advanced the production technology, seamless linkage to Industrial 4.0. Next, I would like to elaborate on the RV series. It has 19 inches as a touch panel control screen. We also have multiple new features. Of course, you can see the outlook is we have ergonomic control, robust machine, include with the self-development control system, as well as a linear motor driver. Stable processing speed can increase 12% to 50% incremental efficiency. This is a so-called a large-scale machine to provide a small-scale precision. You can see the R angle and the speed, so it can very convenient and outstanding processes. We have a very comprehensive sales and service, including in Greater Russia area. We have a station to provide sales, education, and training. So we welcome you to visit us. Thank you very much. Thank you, Lev, for excellent presentation. Next, we would like to invite the Jingfeng Machine Industries CHARLESwu, Overseas Regional Sales Representative, to talk about the industrial transition from traditional to intelligence. Thank you. Welcome. This is Charles from the Jingfeng Machine. I'm the Overseas Regional Sales Representative. Next. Regarding the transition to intelligent and industrial transformation under the pandemic, you can see the equipment facility we need to satisfy the advancement and also to cope with the COVID-19. Today, I have a 4th subject I would like to share with you. First of all, under the COVID-19 pandemic, now the challenge and the changes under this machine process, you can see from the mills and automatic and the smart production and build an overall system, servo system. Next, regarding the under the COVID pandemic, we have comprehensive intelligent upgrade and meet the delivery to reach the revenue and profit. With that, because of the delay of the ocean freight and the raw material deficiency. Next. So in the future, we need to move toward is to risk-free human-machine collaboration, resilience, manufacturing system, and also localize the production and supply as well as quick and accurate decision. So with regard to the trend, so for this machinery in industry, we need to meet a reasonable price, handy operation, easy maintenance, and suitable for most kind of processing. On top of that, we can integrate the automation and the smart intelligent function to meet the future demand. So STI series not only have the similar price, better, easy to integrate, a wide capacity, 10-inch range, C-frame, a straight side, also as well as side deformations. So we can see this is a very competitive price. Recently, you can see this servo press can meet the intelligent composite control systemic and the green to meet the new trend. As compared to the traditional machine, we normally have one unit. Now you can link everyone together on the internet. Next, from traditional to the smart, you can see we combine these various features. On top of the basic mode, we also have pulse as well as pendulum mode to meet the different demand and save energy. Next slide. So when we talk about the intelligent forming system, so we can have a better efficiency to combining the composite and a better integration of smart software. So compared with traditional machines, where this is straight side, single, double crank direct drive servo press, we have equipment intelligence, factory intelligence to save the energy, and the service intelligence. We believe in the future, this will be iForming and the best direction for the industrial transforming. This iForming is a smart management system to integrate the most cutting-edge AI, IoT, and analysis. So you can have equipment intelligence, factory intelligence, product intelligence, and help the customer to move toward the smart intelligence and manufacturing. Next slide. So from ours, this envision a much smarter style of manufacturing. So you can see this intelligent plan, intelligent equipment, intelligent service. So next. So through this installation, we can collect information, can have live surveillance. So when this service is very, very important. So traditional automation, so you can see the data collection and the software linkage can help the customer to build a smart factory goal. Next. So in the past, CHING experience we have developed to the stable and good quality and reliable equipment. So for the past 25 years, we have sold more than 60,000 units across the world. So we have the distributor around the world to provide the comprehensive service. So next slide. So last but not least, I wish you can browse our CHING and collect more detailed information. Thank you very much. Thank you, Charles. Next, I would like to invite the EQUIPTOP Chang from General Manager to talk about the new topic, the high precision rotary type service. My name is the General Manager from Chang. Today, I'm going to talk about the high precision, the machine tools. the key feature of our products, we would like to ask the user to have the best price to obtain the AIoT smart machine with reliable price. We have smart operation, internet connection, database application, as well as big data. So we have combined the equipment health to have a better equipment. We start from digital and especially the I/O and the big data application, and as well as the technology advancement. So our panel here is digitized. So this is a touch panel. So we have about 50 language. So internal processing, and we have a finish grinding, intermittent spark out, rough grinding, and flowchart to adopt a new operation design to meet 100% handle processing. Our system and I/O monitoring, we have integrated multi-function signals to achieve a monitoring whole machine working condition. So one window can handle everything. So big data information database, we have unique integrated technology. We can accumulate 90% of general operation data, so the user can effectively to aware or alert, collect all the necessary data and conduct dialogue to the machine. So this is a multi-unit monitoring. We have remote control machine working status through network connection. So you can see this is the wheel selecting support. So to provide expert wheel material recommendation to achieve best grinding quality. So we utilize unique QR code guiding to push buttons, cleaning demo video, and memory shortage troubleshooting demo video as well on the YouTube to monitor the maintenance status. So we have so-called innovation equal feeding speed control. So this is SP levels class linear guide way. It is a Z-axis equipped with a reliable direct drive transmission mechanism. So in our international competitiveness, so EQUIPTOP occupied a very high export portion. We have the high quality post-market service. So to optimize the efficiency of the customer, we also have the pre-warning system and a troubleshooting service. So this is substantive benefits. So EQUIPTOP's investment on new products our goal is to high precision rotary table surface grinder sales, estimate export market share occupy 25% in 2025. Future outlook, we would like to integrate changes of IoT, Internet, AI to catch market trends, development, and create value for our customers. We are moving toward a so-called customized production, e-job, and data analysis and upgrade. So this is my presentation. I wish we can provide the most comprehensive machine to our customers. Thank you very much. Thank you, Charles. Next is the Speed Tiger Emily Sales to talk about the development and the trend of drilling. Welcome, Emily. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Emily. I'm the sales director at the Speed Tiger. We established in 1998. We are one-stop shopping for carbide drills, carbide end mills, carbide turning tools, and carbide thread mills, shrink feed machines, as well as a coating service. So this is a Speed Tiger. So our goal is to provide the one-stop service, and also we also have the pioneer here in Taiwan. We have the advantage here. So this year we are very delighted to receive the recognition of Taiwan excellence. So now I'm going to enter the subject, the development of a trend of drills. We use various the drill with cutting tools to drill a hole on the various machines. In the past, we used the same products. Now there are very few drills designed by the materials. As the technology advances, nowadays the current CNC machinery use high rigidity structural design, high-speed cutting, high-precision machining, and the development of a green manufacturing. So most of processed products use composite materials with product design complexity increase and the difficulty of processing increase to enhance the challenge. So based on the use of the demand for the high value added, and also the requirement for cutting tools are getting more and tricky. So we have all kinds of drills for regular all kinds of alloys materials. So with regard to the high efficiency drilling in various type of manufacturing, including the internal water injection, so we have like 2 to 5 extended lengths for drilling deals. So we have 3 elements to affect tool cutting performance, including material, geometry, as well as coating. So our Speed Tiger's good cutting tools are very reliable, high efficiency, and also Tiger Speed is the first one company to integrate the product tools, so we can design a dedicated tooling for the customer's cutting and performance demand. So next, we'd like to talk about the feature of Ascent SNC drill bits, special drills for stainless steel applications. There are problems when processing on stainless steels. It is difficult to heat dissipating during cutting, work hardening, chip sticking, electronic products, or health care, but it is very difficult to heat dissipating during cutting. And also we also have a work hardening and the chip sticking. So based on the above mentioned, the unique our study research and development team to have anti-vibration design to improve our hole accuracy. You can see an equal fluid spacing and the symmetrical margins to effectively improve the margin top position to advance the drill precision. And also we have significantly reduced the vibration during processing to allow high precision straight cutting and achieve a smooth surface of drilling. So you can see this is very important for cause the SNCI tool life to begin longer and beautiful surface. We have chip removal, which is improved a lot, helix angle and the fluid design and the perfect point angle and the relief angle to make a pool passivation treatment and a coolant hole, including this is a water injection system to effectively achieve the high reliability, high precision, and also with the ZRNA coating, measure the comparison SUS313 to have a block resistance suitable for high-speed machine with both dry and wet cutting. On top of the various the stainless and alloy, we also have hardness and coefficient of friction and oxidation temperature with high-performance coating. So this is a very reliable for these various like titanic alloy to reduce the hardness. Last, I would like to add one more new product with ISO thread mill and a drill plus chamber. This is a new product we launched this year. This is 3-in-1 drill thread mill for internal threads for aluminum alloy and cast iron. So you can review our website to know our latest information. We expect to have a better collaboration with you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Emily. Last, I would like to ask Xing, Mr. Chuang from the Sigma to talk about the ultimate craftsmanship to smart manufacturing 5-axis machine tool for difficult to cut materials. My name is Daniel Chuang from Sigma CNC. Today's topic is ultimate craftsmanship to smart manufacturing 5-axis machine tool for difficult to cut materials. For first, let me introduce our company. Sigma CNC was founded in 2000. We have 2 factories. The products have a CNC double column machine center, CNC horizontal machine center, as well as CNC custom grinding machine. At the moment, around the world, our major market are in Asia, Europe, as well as America. So with regard to the smart manufacturing, what is smart manufacturing? Why we are doing the smart manufacturing? I have categorized 4 aspects. The first is to improve operational efficiency. Second is real-time monitoring of decision, our factory operation, as well as the decision making. And on top of that, the third is quickly respond to production need and market fluctuations. The fourth is machines reliability and maximization or optimization. So how to step by step to construct our smart manufacturing. From the machine part, we can use a single unit intelligent. We use IoT sensor, including automation facility. For example, this is a robotic arm or automation monitor system. So through this regional internet, we can go through or collect the machines data as well as production process. And through the cloud computing, we can convert to prediction and projection and analysis to feedback to the intelligent scheduling. So through internet, we can also let the operator to monitor the production online and conduct immediate decision. Next slide. So here, with regard to the machine tools, we use 4 major controllers are from HITECH, Siemens, FONG, and Mitsubishi. The advantage is that we can use operational interface with the leading products to make fast integration. Next slide. So to cope with intelligent manufacturing, we need to have a very high, reliable machine tools. Therefore, last year we have developed a new 5-axis double column machine center for this cutting, like stainless steel or titanium alloy, which is very feasible for automotive, aerospace, or some heavy-duty industry process. So the whole unit is high rigidity structural design, and also we have 2 unique pattern design to apply on this unit. So on top of that, we have this is mechanical type simultaneous 2-axis rotary spindle, worm, and the gear transmission for B and C axis. The maximum torque is up to 1,155 Nm. Last but not least, with regard to the application of the products, we have very diversified CNC products. We also have CNC, the customized grinding machine for linear track application. So our customers are High-Wing, THK, as well as other international global companies. So this is our company's contact information. So here we also provide our email. We welcome all the customers to send an email to our company for further detailed information. We also have a website and a virtual exhibition. Thank you very much. Thank you, Daniel. Last but not least, it is our QA time. Welcome to send your question to the chat box in YouTube. We can respond to your question. So now we'd like to pass the microphone to Patrick Chang from Tammy. Thank you. Thank you, Aria. Thank you for your feedback. First of all, I would like to ask Itri, Dr. Penn, from Deputy Division Director of the Intelligent Machinery Technology Center. First question is what is the trend of metal work? The second is what Taiwan can provide, in terms of the solution to cope with COVID-19 and the new trend. So Dr. Darren Penn, Deputy Division Director. Thank you. With regard to the first of the trend for the metal work, I would say because to cope with Industrial 4.0, in the past, we rely on the experience of an engineer. Now it will be changed. So to replace that, it is intelligent software or intelligent manufacturing technology. So we can produce more precision machines. In the future, machine technology will use a lot of sensors, collect data together with IoT, IOM, and then utilize intelligence software to increase the user-friendly efficiency, to predict the shelf life, enhance the reliability, etc., etc. So the second question here in Taiwan, with regard to the future trend, what kind of solution we can provide from Taiwan? In the past, Taiwan has long times been very good on manufacturing, together with the advanced technology in the information and the communication as a semiconductor. So to combine the software as hardware to provide the integrated comprehensive solution. For example, for the single unit intelligence to the whole production line, we can provide the total solution. So include the double-digit application, AI application, as well as the various machine platforms. We can satisfy the customer demand. So we have very good competitiveness and advantages. Thank you, Dr. Peng. So next, I would like to ask Lev from CHING to cover following questions. Lev, I would like to ask you that environmental friendly is very important. So can your company's product meet the environmental objective? So what kind of what percentage of the energy you can save by using your company's products under the impact of COVID-19? So does your export have any influence? What is your contingent plan? Yes, you are right. This year, environmental issue is more and more important and critical. So as a human pursuing the industrial development as well as economic growth, so especially the country like Russia, so energy saving and the carbon reduction is very, very critical. So our products, so the CHING, we use electricity as a power. So therefore, our linear cutting, we have a new energy saving system. We use compared with a prior generation, the speed can increase 15%, so the energy consumption reduced 20%, plus our cooling system. You can see this is a much reliable, reduce the energy saving, and also reduce carbon emission. So it equivalent to save the power of air conditioner. So you can save about 1,500 degrees of electricity bills. So after the COVID-19, it impacted the whole life around the world. So our operation strategy is to cope with the slowdown or recession of supply and the economy. And so we also mentioned that because of social distancing impact, so with the space limitation, we need a higher efficiency. So it has more or less to enhance the speed of Industrial 4.0 development. So for our company, CHING, we also have a new intelligent machinery to satisfy the demand, including the three major index: the high speed, reliability, the water cooling system, and also the adjustable system, and also remote surveillance system that can provide efficiency to reach automation and intelligent manufacturing. We can provide a win-win situation. Thank you, Lev. Next, I would like to ask charleswu from CHING to answer following questions. First, compare with your competitors. What is the advantage of your company's product? Secondly, under the COVID-19 impact, what is the trend of metal work? What is your contingent place? Now, Charles, the floor is yours. Yes, with regard to our product advantage, CHING's machine has more than 70 years of machine tool experience. So it demonstrates our high quality and the reliability. So with regard to the machine tools, CHING machine have a very diversified and multiple options. We have a custom design. We also cope with COVID-19. So we can have the new industrial transition and industrial development. So our machine can help the customer to meet the new change of the industry. So with regard to the COVID-19 impact, I think the most important factor is human beings. Because of social distance, we cannot go stay with a site. We need to keep a safety distance. So remote operation is the best solution. We develop new machines, including product, equipment, management, service, as well as factory intelligence. So on IoT, IOM, we can provide a smart platform, reduce the human contact. And iFoaming is not the no-man solution. It can, based on the existing equipments, based on the demand to link everything together, it can meet a remote management and high efficiency. Thank you, Charles. Next, I would like to invite EQUIPTOP's Charles Chang. There are two Charles today to cover the following questions. So may I ask, regard your product, what is the application of your product? And compared to your competitors, what is your advantage? Secondly, under the COVID-19 pandemic, so are there any influence to your industry? And what is your contingent plan? Charles? EQUIPTOP on top of continues to invest the products for the new trend and integrate a new material and apply cutting-edge technology and material for the electrical vehicles, motorcycles, and apply big data application. So use a machine as a foundation to develop multiple applications. To cope with the COVID-19 pandemic, we expect to help our manufacturing partners have a seamless, non-stop operation. With regard to the maintenance is very important. EQUIPTOP produce a smart controller and the machine tool processing big data from 3G to OGs and remote surveillance. So the managers and users can effectively solve all the issues. So we can provide the maximum benefit for the customers. Thank you, Charles. Next, I would like to ask Speed Tiger, Emily from Speed Tiger, to answer following questions. Emily, so may I ask, so with regard to the trend of the drill industry, what is the customer's demand? How can your products to benefit the customer demand and the industrial trend? And then secondly, also under the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, what is your market strategy? What is your adjustment? Okay, in my presentation, I've mentioned that with regard to the high speed, high cutting, and also we have the new design where our the function and performance much better. So we have high precision, high quality, high efficiency drilling. This is our development directions. So we have excellent dedicated design software as well as this simulation system to reduce the module the design time. Together with the precision production, we have improved all the management operation protocols to match the diversified demand from the customers. On top of that, to more effectively to help our customer to use the drilling. So with maximize efficiency, we have the center to test the products and also to provide the consultancy to the customers with regard to the cost. If there are any issues, we have online test and to help the customer to solve their issues. With regard to the COVID-19 impact, so our contingency plan is to enhance the consumer's experience optimization and stabilize the supply. First of all, regarding the customer's experience. So our contact on top of email, we have remote support is very important. So we establish remote digital tools for customers. For example, the computer equipments and online conference software to provide a high quality zero distance service. So when customers work at home, you can connect to our internal service center to link to our customer service center to solve the issue. With regard to the internet, we also do YouTube, Facebook, as well as other social media to connect to the customers. On top of most of popular learning tools, we also help the customer to have online immediate problem solving and customer service. So with regard to the new IoT ecology to meet the customers, international customers' demand to enhance the customers' willingness to use our products. With regard to the supply chain security, this is our online is an ongoing goal. We also not only to provide the good products, but also the fast and immediate service. So we also improve the process not only for the scale of production, we also meet the industrial change. We also provide the customized service to meet the customers' demand. Thank you, Emily. So last, I would like to ask the Sigma's Daniel, the marketing supervisor, to answer following questions. First, whether your company can help the customer to incorporate the Industrial 4.0. Please introduce that. Secondly, I would like to ask you, under the COVID-19 pandemic, are there any change on the market demand? How your product can meet the customer's demand? Daniel. Yeah, with regard to these two questions, allow me to address the first question. Whether our products can incorporate Industrial 4.0. Yes, the answer is yes. So our product provide intelligent function. For example, we have sensor application as controllers. We also utilize the four major leading controller: Baraka, Heide, Siemens, and Mitsubishi. So with regard to the communication protocol, we integrate now all the smart manufacturing system to link everyone together. So if the customer from Russia, you have a demand, and you are welcome to communicate us through email. So Sigma have localized the dealers in Russia to provide good quality service. Second question regarding under the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, the market transformation is that so the impact to our CNC is indeed have a significant influence because our export need to disassemble and reassemble at the site. So that indeed have some impact last year till now. So we have a significant impact of that because we cannot travel to help the installation. So we need to wait until the customers to have the pandemic slow down before we can install the machine on site. And the contingent plan is that we will move toward a so-called another CNC dedicated customized module. So with that, it is a relatively smaller size, can put into a container without disassemble. So the customer can set up at the site through a very easy video conference to support the installation, to complete the installation. So this complete my presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you for your sharing. That's excellent. So thank you, Patrick, to organize the question, and thank you very much for your time to participate in this online press conference. If you are interested on the presentation information, please feel free to contact the representative. We have the contact email here, so to provide a better service. Also, welcome to scan the QR code and provide your comment. Your participation is the momentum drive for us to move around. So we wish to work for you in the near future. Thank you very much. Wish you a good business, good health. Thank you.